Fourth question. In the figure, angle PQR is 90 degree, angle PQS is 90 degree, angle PRQ is alpha, and angle QPS is theta. Write the following trigonometric ratios. See here, we have a triangle. We have the bigger triangle, triangle PRS. Okay. We have here a perpendicular drawn, that is PQ. The perpendicular is drawn, therefore we have two triangles here, triangle PQR and triangle PQS also, which are right angled triangles. So what we have to do, we have to write according to that. Now what have they asked us? This angle which is given to us here, angle PRQ is alpha. This symbol is for alpha. The small angle here, angle QPS, is theta. Okay, this is the small angle here. Now we have to find these trigonometric ratios. First one is sine alpha. Sine is opposite side upon hypotenuse. So opposite side to alpha upon the hypotenuse. So we look at the angle alpha in the figure. Okay, this is a right angle triangle. Opposite side to alpha is PQ. Okay, opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse. So we mark here. This is the hypotenuse. Also in this triangle, opposite to the right angle, this will be the hypotenuse. Okay, so now we were writing here opposite side to alpha upon hypotenuse. Alpha opposite to that is PQ, hypotenuse is PR. So PQ upon PR. So we write here PQ upon PR. Next is cos alpha. Cos alpha is adjacent side to alpha upon hypotenuse. Again we look at the figure. Alpha is here. Alpha is here. Adjacent side to it is RQ. And hypotenuse is PR. So RQ upon PR. So we write here RQ upon PR. Going to tan alpha. Tan alpha will be opposite side upon adjacent side. So opposite side to alpha upon adjacent side to alpha. Now look at the figure. Opposite side to alpha is PQ, adjacent side is RQ. So PQ upon RQ. So we write here PQ upon RQ. Now in the second question, the angle changes, that is theta. That means we are considering the other triangle here, the adjacent triangle, triangle PQS. So now in this triangle PQS, again first let us write the formula. Sin theta will be opposite upon hypotenuse. So opposite side to theta opposite side to theta upon the hypotenuse. So theta is here, opposite side to it is QS, hypotenuse is PS. So QS upon PS. So I write here QS upon PS. Next we have cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So here adjacent side to theta upon the hypotenuse. Now we look at the figure here. Adjacent side to theta. Here is the hypotenuse. So adjacent side will be PQ upon the hypotenuse, that is PS. So we write here PQ upon PS. And the last one, tan theta. Tan theta is opposite side upon adjacent side, but the angle here is theta. So opposite side to theta upon adjacent side to theta. Look at the figure here. Theta is here. Opposite side will be QS. Adjacent side will be PQ. So QS upon PQ. So we write here QS upon PQ. So we have got all the 6 trigonometric ratios, 3 with the angle alpha and 3 with the angle theta.